Venkata Sivadurga. Today I'm here to present my project Enhancing AI Chatbots for Depression Management under the course HAP 786 Workshop in Health Informatics. And my professor is Dr. Farooq Alemi. Depression is a significant global mental health challenge affecting millions of people worldwide. AI chatbots are emerging as a promising supplementary tool in mental health support, offering several key benefits. Project aim is to revolutionize the treatment of major depressive disorder by harnessing the potential of AI. This is a huge project which is divided into 5 different projects, uh, which is Common AI, Analyze Missing Values, Remove Algorithm Bias, Actionable AI, and Follow Up. Overview of this project: Introduction, Problem Statement, Objectives, Methods, Tools and Techniques, Results, Recommendations, Conclusion, and Q&A. Introduction. Global rise in depression creates significant strain on traditional mental health services. This project aims to evaluate and enhance the functionality of mental health chatbot designed for depression management. This project focuses on ensuring that the chatbot not only provide accurate information but also engage within meaningful and supportive ways and and improving outcomes. AI-driven mental chatbots offer accessible, immediate support, bridging gaps in traditional systems. There are certain limitations of these existing systems. Fail to address conflicting inputs, in which struggling to reconcile different emotional signals within the same conversation. Example: a user saying "I'm fine" while expressing underlying distress. Struggle to detect emotional distress cues. In this indirect expression of mental health struggles, the answers are given like metaphorical language and have rigid repetitive conversational flows. In this repetitive response pattern that fit mechanical and unauthentic. Problem statement. Conflicting inputs. Chatbot enabled you to navigate complex and unlabeled emotional communication, providing inappropriate or misaligned responses to complex emotional inputs. Emotional cue oversight. Failure to provide timely support and the risk of overlooking critical mental health warning signs. Static conversation, lack of genuine adaptive communication, and minimal contextual understanding. Here comes the objectives. Conflict resolution mechanism, which develops systematic approaches to identify, mediate, and resolve interpersonal or systemic conflicts effectively. Emotional cue detection improvements, which enhance capabilities to recognize and interpret subtle emotional signals in communication. Dynamic context aware conversation flows, which create adaptive communication strategies that adjust in real time based on contextual nuances. Enhance crisis management protocols. Implement comprehensive, proactive strategies for rapid and effective response to critical situations. From here, my colleague Nadim gonna take out this project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nadim Abdul, and let's begin by highlighting the key enhancements introduced in our AI mental health chatbot project. These advancements are central to improving its usability, empathy, and effectiveness. Conflict detection logic. This ensures that the system identifies contradictions or inconsistencies in user responses. By addressing them in real time, it fosters clarity and builds trust. Dynamic and adaptable conversational flow. This feature enables the bot to adjust its interaction style dynamically based on user inputs and context, making every conversation feel more personalized and meaningful. Emotional cue recognition. With advanced algorithms, the bot can now identify emotional cues, especially in high risk situations, ensuring it responds appropriately to distress or frustration. Structured depression diagnostic framework. To provide better mental health insights, we have introduced a diagnostic framework that aligns with clinical guidelines and categorizes depression into mild, moderate, or severe levels. These features collectively enhance bots' ability to deliver compassionate and accurate mental health support. Conflict detection implementation. Conflict detection is a critical component of our system, designed to ensure clarity and build user trust. The logic works by identifying contradictions in user responses. For example, if a user says they are feeling fine but later expresses anxiety, the system flags this and takes steps to clarify. It pauses the conversation strategically to ask follow-up questions, ensuring it fully understands the user's state of mind before proceeding. By resolving inconsistencies, this feature enhances data accuracy and demonstrates that the bot is actively listening to and engaging with the user. This creates a more reliable and empathetic interaction. Ultimately, conflict detection builds trust and ensures that the support provided is both accurate and meaningful. Emotional cue recognition. One of the most important features of our system is emotional cue recognition, designed to identify and respond to users in distress. The system is trying to detect emotionally charged phrases such as "I feel like giving up," signaling a potential crisis. Upon recognizing such cues, the bot immediately provides access to crisis resources, including hotlines like National Suicide Prevention Lifeline or the Crisis Text Line. This ensures users have the support they need during critical moments. The primary goal of this feature is to ensure timely interventions, helping users access help as quickly as possible. This functionality reinforces our commitment to prioritizing user safety and providing actionable support during vulnerable times. Dynamic conversational flow. Let's talk about dynamic conversational flow, a feature that makes the bot more responsive and context aware. The system continuously tracks user history and adjusts conversations dynamically. For instance, if user previously mentioned feeling overwhelmed, the bot tailors future interactions with that context in mind. It also adapts to repeated distress signals. If a user repeatedly shares signs of anxiety or stress, the bot adjusts its tone and responses to show empathy and provide appropriate guidance. For high priority cases, bot escalates its response to ensure timely action. This could mean offering immediate crisis resources or recommending professional support. Dynamic conversational flow ensures every interaction feels natural and human centric while also adapting to the user's evolving needs. Diagnostic framework. A structured diagnostic framework, a key component for assessing and understanding mental health condition. This framework classifies depression into mild, moderate, or severe categories, enabling the system to provide tailored guidance and support. It is designed to align with clinical best practices, ensuring that the diagnostic process is both accurate and credible. Additionally, the framework includes symptom analysis to exclude bipolar depression, ensuring a clear distinction and directing users towards most relevant sources. As shown in the pie chart, system evaluates severity of depression methodically, providing a reliable structure for better understanding and action. Treatment history validation. Now let's discuss treatment history validation, which builds a detailed profile of users' mental health journey. System collects comprehensive data on user psychotherapy participation, offering valuable insights into their treatment history. It tracks critical indicators such as psychotic behavior or specific symptoms to refine its understanding of the user's condition. By consolidating this information, the bot builds a personalized mental health profile. This allows it to offer more effective and targeted support based on users' unique experiences. This feature strengthens the bot's ability to act as trusted companion, offering tailored, empathetic, and informed support. Finally, let's discuss the scenario testing process, which validates bot's performance and reliability. The system was evaluated against three key scenarios: conflicting inputs to assess its ability to detect and resolve contradictions, emotional cues to ensure accurate identification of distress signals, dynamic responses to show how effectively the bot adapts to changing user needs and context. The results are here. The bot resolved conflicts in 95% of cases, demonstrating its capability to clarify inconsistencies and ensure smooth interaction. It achieved 100% success rate in detecting distress signals, ensuring users receive timely support during critical moments. Visualization illustrates these results, highlighting consistently high success rate across all scenarios. These results show that the bot is not only intelligent but also highly dependable, capable of delivering accurate and empathetic support in diverse situations. These features, conflict detection, emotional cue recognition, dynamic conversational flow, the diagnostic framework, treatment history validation, and scenario testing, represents core advancements of our AI mental health chatbot. Together, they create a robust and reliable system designed to provide empathetic, effective, and timely support for mental health needs. Thank you for watching, and I'll now hand it over to my teammate to explain the remaining section of the project.
Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya Nimmagatta. I am going to continue the presentation from here. Coming to tools and techniques, our project leveraged a combination of cutting-edge tools and techniques to address the limitation of current AI chatbots. First, we utilized GPT-based APIs, which allowed us to create a dynamic and context-aware responses. These APIs were instrumental in improving conversational quality and tailoring interactions to the user-specific needs. Second, for the conflict detection, we implemented decision trees. These help the chatbot identify logical contradictions in user inputs and resolve them through a systematic clarification process, ensuring both accuracy and trustworthiness. Third, to enhance the personalization, we used a state tracking mechanism. These mechanisms allowed the chatbot to maintain a memory of user interaction, enabling it to adapt responses based on the previous conversations and the current context. Coming to key results, the enhancements we implemented yielded significant results across all key performance areas. The conflict detection mechanism achieved an impressive 95% accuracy, effectively resolving contradictions in user inputs. For emotional cues, the chatbot excelled with 100% success rate in detecting high-risk scenarios. The dynamic conversation flow led to better user engagement, with interactions becoming more fluid and adaptive to the user emotional state and context. Lastly, our diagnostic framework reliably categorized depression severity into mild, moderate, and severe levels, ensuring that user receives tailored and clinically appropriate guidance. These results collectively underscore the success of our enhancements in making the chatbot more effective, reliable, and user-friendly. In the initial interaction, the chatbot queries the user about the psychotherapy history and psychotic behavior. However, when the user provides incomplete details such as 2 sessions, the chatbot fails to adapt effectively. After enhancements, the chatbot now provides a more detailed explanation to the user. For instance, when the user states, "I had 6 sessions of therapy but no psychotic behavior, is that a concern?" The chatbot explains the implications of the psychotic behavior versus depression symptoms. It acknowledges the user efforts in seeking therapy and provides an empathetic response, ensuring that the user feels heard and supported. In the initial chatbot design, when a user expressed a severe distress with a statement such as "I can stop breathing," the chatbot provided a generic and repetitive response. It acknowledged the user feelings but lacked the capability to escalate the situation or connect the user to the immediate crisis resources. In the improved version, the chatbot demonstrated enhanced crisis management capabilities. When the user indicates severe emotional distress, the chatbot responded with actionable steps. It provides a list of crisis resources, including National Suicide Prevention Lifeline with a direct contact number, crisis text line information for the text-based support, and a suggestion to reach out healthcare providers or local mental health resources. Coming to challenges faced, while we achieved a notable success, the project was not without its challenges. Ensuring the accuracy of emotional cue detection was a complex task, as it required the system to interpret subtle language nuances and differentiate between general expression and high-risk phrases. Another significant challenge was testing edge cases for conflicting inputs. Users often provide a wide range of contradictory information, and anticipating these variations was both time intensive and technically demanding. Lastly, we face the challenge of balancing user friendliness with the need for comprehensive and accurate interactions. In conclusion, this project represents a significant step forward in the development of AI chatbots for mental health care. By addressing key challenges such as conflict detection, emotional cue recognition, and static conversation flows, we created a system that is more reliable, adaptive, and user friendly. These advancements not only enhance the chatbot functionality but also makes it a more trustworthy tool for individuals seeking mental health support. As we look to the future, these enhancements lay the groundwork for even more innovative solutions in AI-driven mental health care. The future work would be expanding functionality to other mental health conditions such as anxiety disorders, bipolar disorders, and PTSD. And second would be adding multilingual capabilities. By incorporating multilingual capabilities, we can reach a diverse global audience, breaking down the language barriers. Third, by implementing advanced machine learning for continuous refinement. Machine learning will play a crucial role in further improving the chatbot's accuracy and adaptability. Here are some references for this project. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. This project has been an incredible journey and we are grateful for the opportunity to share our work with you. We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Farooq Alemi for his guidance and support throughout this project.